everybody. Let's present one of the most prestigious buildings in Batumi, building company Dar Group, which has completed not a single project in Batumi, but many projects. And they are famous because of their reliability, because they always complete as they planned. Today I'm going to present two of their projects, Dar Tower A1 and Dar Tower A2. The buildings that are one of the prestigious and well-demanded in Batumi. The Dar Group usually sells flats in black frame. Prices start, of course, the cheapest price. It's not with the Seaview, it's not the high floor, but you can still find a flat in this building for $9,000, and the prices goes up and up. If you don't know again the difference between black frame and white frame buildings, you can check my video where I explain what is the difference, because lots of people, including Georgians, when they purchase flats in Georgia, are confused regarding this topic. Without my further explanation, you can see on the screen what are the prices in this building for black frame apartment. Prices goes up as floors go up and as the view is better. So if you want to know exact prices at the moment and exact availability, please share with me your inquiry. But in this video I will present what is the availability at the moment of recording this video, which is April 2021. The building also offers you, if you want, to upgrade from white frame to furnishing of the flat. And as for pricing, the repairment cost is $200 and then furnishing of the flat is $400. You can also see what they include in their offer, but if you ask me, the prices for the repairment is overpriced. As I already said before, I help my clients to buy black frame flat to renovate it and to furnish it, and usually the cost is way lower. It gives half a time lower, which gives a huge difference when it's multiplied by square meters. So yeah, it's something you should definitely consider. And you can see also a turnkey condition and design on the next. Sale is 27 square meters, and the maximum flat, the biggest flat that they sell, is 234 square meters. The tower is one of the ambitious projects of the Dar building, I would say, and this is a multifunctional complex that includes premium class apartments, indoor parking, outdoor pool, spa, fitness, casino, restaurants, and cafes. The 5-star Ramada Plaza by Wyndham Hotel, which consists of 120 rooms, will be located up to the 17th floor of the tower, and the VIP class apartments will be located from 17th to 35th floor. The apartment in the complex will be managed by the company for a period of 10 years after finishing the project. The tower offers services such as security service, technical department, clinic service, 24/7 video surveillance, etc. The cost of the service is $1 per square meter in A1 and $0.5 in A2, $2 in VIP class apartments. Prices for hotel-type apartments starts at $700. VIP classes start at $1,900. And each subsequent price increases according to the view and the floor. The price of VIP class apartments with direct panoramic sea views from 17th to 25th floor is $1,900 per 1 square meter. A finished apartment, 26th to 35th floors, costs $2,000, while a 32nd floor with balconies costs 1 square meter, a finished apartment, $2,100. Construction and installation works are completed in these flats. Construction was completed by the end of 2019. Hotel Ramada Plaza by Wyndham will open in 2022. Payment terms are flexible. You can pay with a single payment and get the priority. You can make interest-free internal installments. You can you can also get mortgage loan in the bank, and interest-free installment, perhaps it's interesting for you. Minimum down payment is 30% of total value, and remaining amount can be redistributed in A2 until the end of the next year. and A1 and the VIP class apartments in 2 years. For those who are new to this channel, I'm glad to introduce myself. My name is Mari. I was born in Batumi, and right now I'm living both in Batumi and Tbilisi. And what I do, I help people to invest in Georgia, start a business, or invest in real estate property. You are a foreigner, perhaps, if you are listening to this video. So as we as locals can help you to find the property for you, and of course we only sell real best deals at the moment. We never advertise any company which we would not like, we would not buy flats ourselves. Only the best deals we share with our clients. So we help you to search property, we help you to buy the property, we prepare agreements for you, or we can also help you to buy property remotely without even coming in Georgia. So we help you with legal matters to finalize the deal, and in Batumi we also provide after purchase support.